In this video, I'll show you how to find viral TikTok sounds. If this helps you, please consider subscribing and giving this video a like so others can find it. Open TikTok, then start a new video by tapping on the plus icon. Once you're in the recording screen, go ahead and tap on Add Sound. And then you're going to tap on the search icon on the right. Now go ahead and select Discover More Sounds. And now you're going to look under the For You section. TikTok is going to show you all the trendiest audios and songs right now. If you scroll down just a little bit more, under Playlist, you're going to select Trending. And here you're not going to see audios, but the songs that are trending at the moment. Now, if you want to use a song or you want to preview it, all you have to do is tap on the song's picture. You're going to be able to hear just a little bit of the song, and to use it, go ahead and tap on Use Sound.
All my ladies, come on.
And that's it. Now your song is ready to be added on your video. Hope that helps.